Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Huawei model and a MIUI build because compatibility matters. Once done, back up your data to avoid loss. You then enable USB debugging and allow installation from unknown sources so APKs will install. Next, download 3 essentials to your device or SD card: a GMS installer, Google Play services, and a helper like microG if needed. Make sure file sizes and names match expected values, so you avoid corrupted installs or mismatched versions. You now install the core components in sequence so dependencies register correctly. Install the GMS installer and follow its prompts. It often automates certificates and component order. After that, manually install Google Services Framework and Google Play services in the order the installer or guide prescribes, because wrong order breaks account sign-in. Make sure you reboot the device between major installs, grant runtime permissions when prompted, and watch for failed package errors so you can retry the specific APK rather than repeating every step. You finish by signing into Google Play and updating Google Play services so apps use the latest APIs. Once signed in, update apps normally. If login or crashes happen, clear app cache and data, then retry sign-in. If errors persist, uninstall only the problematic APK and reinstall the exact compatible version. Make sure to reboot after fixes. If nothing works, boot to safe mode or roll back to your backup, and try the process again with alternative compatible APK versions to isolate the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.